Hi there and welcome to Didn't Plan for This. Today we're going to do a quick video of a setup in what I use as my planner switch planner. Planner switch is our local planner meets that I run. And we will be using the Statice Paper Co mini kit that was donated by Statice Paper Co to our recent first birthday party planner meet. And I plan in a Kiki K large with Kiki K inserts, and just find the right page. All right. And let's see how it turns out. And there you have it. There is our spread in my large Kiki K using Kiki K inserts from the Statice Paper Co mini kit that was from our planner switch first birthday party. If you enjoyed this video or liked this spread, make sure you give this video a like, or if you'd like to see more of my videos, make sure you follow my channel, and I'll be posting more videos this week. As always, thank you for watching and happy planning.